Hey yo, what is up? My name is Ishan. You're probably busy, which is perfect because on this channel, we like to keep things short and sweet. No fluff, just quick and to the point. So in the next few minutes, we're going to be talking about why Hyllion stock could hit $100. That's right, a whooping $100. And we're going to be going over what I plan to do and a quick technical analysis at the end. So as always, if you enjoy these short and value-packed videos, make sure to drop a quick sub and let's clock in. So I know the setup looks a little bit different, but my monitor was having glitches, so I decided just to remove it for the video and I guess this looks alright. Hopefully it does. Anyway, so Hyllion by now you probably know makes Class 8 electric trucks. They recently announced that they plan to vote on their SPAC merger on September 28th, and if it goes through, which it's basically guaranteed to, then the company will officially trade under the ticker symbol HYLL. At its current price level, Hyllion has a market cap of approximately $5.2 billion, which compared to the company's enterprise value of $1.5 billion, it's significantly trading above what they were initially worth. But here's why the stock could hit $100 and become worth approximately $10 billion. Firstly, we need to talk about Hyllion's competitors, which are Tesla and Nikola. Apart from being much cheaper than them, what makes Hyllion's trucks better is their overall technology. Tesla's semi-trucks will have a max range of 600 miles and will require a grid to charge. Nikola, what do I even say? Apart from not even having a functioning product, they will have a max range of 750 miles and will require a hydrogen fuel solution to even work. On the other hand, Hyllion's Hypertruck ERX can travel as far as diesels with an estimated range of over 1,300 miles between fill-ups by using renewable natural gas to power its batteries, and no other EV truck manufacturer even comes close. But what I see key here is that unlike, let's say, a Nikola, Hyllion is only focused on making and producing and perfecting only one product. While Nikola has so many different products than a garbage truck order, I don't believe they're going to be able to pull it off and perfect each product and make each one as good as possible with the limited cash that they have, and they'll probably end up raising more cash by diluting shareholders, so not a win-win. And Nikola is literally a $16 billion company with no products, which brings me to my second point, which is Hyllion's market opportunity. If we're talking about the long term, Hyllion expects to have a 2.2% market share of the $94 billion addressable market by 2024, when they expect to sell a whooping 34,500 trucks and generate over $2 billion in revenue. But what we're seeing with states like California, which are mandating that all trucks by 2024 need to be electric, that's going to increase the market opportunity even more as more states push towards that. And then let's not forget, if Hyllion went global, the market opportunity is just massive. So even at $100 by 2024, which would be a market cap just over $10 billion, Hyllion would only be trading at a price to sales of 5, which is super cheap, especially if you're comparing it to, say, a Tesla or a Nikola. Their growth rate would be over 100% by that time, so it wouldn't surprise me if we went even higher than $100. So it's more than likely that we hit $60 to $70 before September 28th's approval, and $100 within the next 1 to 2 years. And then lastly, before we get into what I plan to do and the technical analysis, Hyllion will now have cash. With this merger, they will receive $560 million, which they can really just use to perfect everything. And then obviously they don't have to build their own factory or anything, as Dana will be taking care of that. So overall, this company is in a strong position to do well. So what am I gonna do? Well, I'm definitely interested in buying because unfortunately I do not own any position in Hyllion yet. But taking a look at the technicals, we're forming a triangle which signifies a potential breakout or move lower. We saw an ascending triangle last time before a massive move, and currently we have a symmetrical triangle forming, which means we could go basically either way. So what I'm looking for is if we can break above and turn that resistance line now into support, and then only I would be looking to buy. Otherwise, I don't want to be buying before it even happens, because for all we know it heads lower as there's profit taking before the vote. So confirmation is key here. So make sure you've subscribed and liked, and let me know down below what you guys think about this whole Hyllion merger and where you guys see the stock going. So let me know all of that, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.